Hello friends, today we are going to see how to make a solar power bank. So for that I have purchased one charge and discharge module. This supports 18650 cells up to 1 amperes. We can use either Android or iOS. So this is a solar panel, 5 volt. These are the specifications. Maximum is 1.5 watts. So I have a 18650 cell here. Now we must solder the pin wires to this charge and discharge module. I hope it is visible now. So this side it is actually battery minus and battery plus. So here we have to connect the input source. Actually it should be a 5 volt input. So let me solder this. Friends, I have connected the solar panel to the power bank module. So you can see it is charging now. Now we can test the power bank module. We'll connect some device, check if it is working. So friends, now we are going to test the phone now, the charging module. You can see it is getting charged. So this is the indication of discharging. So it is working fine friends. I have to assemble this. Thank you. Subscribe for more videos.